Why is it that video is so much more effective in advertising than a simple text ad or a simple image ad? The reason being is because as humans, we make emotional connections with people. You're making eye contact with me right now as if you were having a conversation with me. And by doing so, you're in your mind, maybe you're subconscious or consciously, you have some level of trust because I'm making eye contact with you on this video and hopefully delivering you some value. It's the same thing when you advertise for your dental sleep medicine practice. If you have video, the patient is able to make eye contact with you and develop some level of trust based on that human interaction. Even though it's digital, it's not an actual human interaction, the mind cannot tell the difference. The mind is having a conversation when you're watching that video because that person is communicating directly to you through that video medium. So, much more effective in advertising. Use video as much as possible. It will help develop trust with your patients before you ever even meet them.